try to back her up. Try this at home, kids. Looks like it's drying up. See if we can get out and catch anything. Wish me luck. Put it up. There we go. Not bad. Been here about 5 minutes. Got a fish on. Try to stay out of here. Hopefully they're hitting all along that bank. Can't really tell size-wise. About a pound, I believe. That's a good chunker. Oh yeah. I believe that's the first fish I've caught on this bait. Thought this color would be pretty good. Usually can't go wrong with white. But nice solid, almost a pound maybe. I'll try to turn him loose so we can see what the water clarity is instead of trying to explain it to you guys. Usually about 2-3 foot maybe, 2.5 feet. So it's kind of clear, but it's about the way I like it. I like them to have a few feet of visibility, but I don't like real clear water because I feel it spooks too many fish away. You got to kind of fish way ahead of yourself. Let's see if that was just a... Nope. Another one right in the same spot. Right, he's smaller, but he's a bass. Don't think we're in any wind yet, but I haven't hooked up my windscreen. I probably need to do that just to... I went back and watched a few of my older videos and they're pretty windy. Look at that little 1/4 pounder of cheese. Not quite all the way, warmed up. Say that magic number, there's one. Magic number is like 55 degrees is when they really start good. There's a good bass. But the males are definitely starting everywhere I go. Catch a few females here and there, but the smaller bodies of water. I'm gonna get my pliers before I hook myself, boys and girls. To have a hold of at least the treble before I get a good hold of the fish. Well, about a pound again. If I give that extra time to clear out and start coming back. Just reeling slow and steady. Try that. There we go, kids. What do you know? What do you know? Actually caught one on this thing. It's not a monster, but I guess you'd call that a swim bait bass. He hit a swim bait, glide bait. It's actually working it just real. Ow, you bit me. Look at him, he won't open his mouth. That mouth is fully closed. Look at that thing. That's a mean one. Swim bait bass are meaner than the others. See that? He won't open it. It's the first bass I've seen do that. He's locked. Oh well, sucker. Oh, he splashed me right in the face. Man. I about hit. Oh my goodness, this thing's dangerous. It's like a bullet. It came shooting back at me. Well, still out here. I can't believe how warm it is already. It's 10:40 and it's already, I don't know, I had to take off my hoodie. We're still going at it. I haven't really got on anything yet. Wow, that's an echo. Do I sound loud? Anyway, we're gonna keep going. I'm up in the one in here, but it's kind of hard to. Look at that little turtle. He's brave. He's like, hey guys. I see you. I see you, turtle. One right there I just about hit. Turtles everywhere through here. Turtle Alley. There we go. There we go, boys and girls. Little guy, but wheel taking. I think his fish feels still a little cold, but there's another little guy. Whoa. Alright. If you insist. Open. These bass have the most lockjaw I've seen. Can't get their mouth open on something. There we go. I'll get back at it. Whoa. That's a little better quality there. If you guys are wondering what happened, I unfortunately broke the tip off my rod I really liked. I just got it. And it no worky so good no more. Luckily though, it's just a very end and I'll be able to shorten it. Sorry guys, didn't realize the camera wasn't on, but caught this guy. I'd actually stopped it because I hung it up, so then I went and got it, but I forgot to turn the camera back on. Made a cast, had that guy, and was like, uh-oh. So, it's looking like the jerk bait seems to be working better than anything else. It's what's catching them, so may just go ahead and stick to it. This color seems to be working good. They're trying to eat it, so I don't think there's a need to try a different color. Just kind of get to the windy spot. And I don't like that. It takes away the feel and then it's kind of weird on the cast, but there we go. Fighting over there. Like I was saying, it takes away the feel that the braid gives you, and that last little bit of it, even though it's a good knot. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna, they're little, a few big ones here and there, or better sized ones here and there, but in the boat. All right, knock it off. He gave up. Okay. All right, we're back on the starting to work our way down this big side of the pond, lake, whatever you want to call it. There's one. Oh, that's a bigger bass, I think, kids. Let me see if I can keep him on. I wasn't really ready for him. Oh yeah, just see that jump? Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about. Just came over here first cast on the deeper side and poof. Bigger fish. I think I was on the wrong side all morning. Good little chunk. See if we can't catch some more of those. I thought they'd be, thinking of throwing it right by twigs and whatever I'm by, so I'm just starting to jerk it as soon as it hits the water. There's one. Bitty guy. Little bitty guy. Definitely hitting the jerk bait though. Whoa. Okay. Try that again. You can tell I'm kind of being a little more, there we go. Oh, it's coming at me. Kind of a little more aggressive. Definitely jerking it way quicker and harder than I had been. These bass seem to want it just a little bit. Are you kidding me? They're a little meaner than the reservoir bass. There's a Stealth Bomber, kids. There we go, right out in the middle. Stealth Bomber's coming. Oh my gosh, it's like, I don't know, it's crazy over here. Ow! Son of a, I about hooked myself. It came off right at the, I don't know if you guys can see that. Got something attached to the bottom of that thing. Hope he ain't trying to bomb me. That little guy just about wore me out. This thing, as I was reaching for him, came unhooked out of his mouth, and I don't know how it didn't. It smacked me right in the hand, but it didn't hook me. Alright, I got the boat all turned around. Oh wait, it did get me. Right there. Oh my God, I'm bleeding. Call a ambulance, I'm bleeding. I'm gonna try to make some long casts since the wind's helping me. Stay right over here. There's one. There's another one. Oh yeah, he was kind of out in the middle of nowhere. He ain't that big though. For that wind, I'm just now kind of really getting into the windy side again. Well, it actually switched. It was blowing on the east end when I first got here. Now it's kind of... I knew better than to leave that raincoat. If you have it with you, it won't rain, but the minute... There we go. The minute you leave it in the truck, guess what? Yep, it'll start raining. Little guy, come on. Whoa, get back in there. Where's the big ones at? Of course, when I was running a crane for the last, 14 years, however many years, a few years before that. There we go. You know, your hands are doing motion similar to that all day long, 8, 10, 12-hour days. Look at that little guy. He was trying to get away, weren't you? Yeah, you're trying to get away. There's no escape. Gotta be a fish right there. Maybe right there. There we go. Whoa. That might be a little better one. Breaking the surface. No, just hooked weird like all of them. They're not quite just taking it. They're more or less hitting at it or something. Not necessarily trying to eat it. There we go. There's a little better one. There's a little better one. Maybe he'll jump again. Oh, tail slap. See if we can get him to jump again for you guys. Whoa! Little head shaking. Nope, he gave up. Better fish though. A pound and a half probably. Nice little chunk. If they were all that big or bigger. Not too bad. Or like, there we go, another one right in the same spot the first one just came from. Maybe there's a spot up, and this is a little guy. Try to get back out there. I want to get the big one. I want to get mama. I want to get her. Oh my gosh, let me get back out there. I need your mama. I need your mama. I need your mama. Oh my God, I need your mom. Come on, let's get back out there. Shh, quiet. Oh yeah. Ooh, right there. There he is. Oh, yeah. Shh, quiet. I'm on to him. That's 3 right in that same spot. Oh, he's hooked weird. Get him back in here. Oh, my God, there's another one. Why do you get all those hooks in you? Oh, there he is. Okay. Shh. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but and then notice how there's like no wind, there's no chop on the water. Look at those crazy clouds. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a fish though. Never mind. I got a bite. Can't leave yet, can you, when the bite's on? Oh my goodness. Let me adjust my camera here. Uh-oh. Why is that thing turning like that? You guys see that? Oh boy, I saw that lightning strike. I'm out. Peace out, peeps. Well, if you guys are watching this, it means I made it back to the truck, so that's always a good thing. This is some crazy weather that kicked in here on me right at the end. I planned on fishing till, 5, 6 o'clock, and it's not even 1:30 yet. And I'm kind of got thrown off my game plan, started fishing real fast, trying to cover water and so I can get out of here before anything nasty hits. Not so much just rain, but thunder, lightning, tornadoes. Oh, I got one. No, I had one. Oh, he ran me up under some brush. Showing fish. Look at that. Showing fish on the graph. I can't. Oh boy. I gotta get out of here though. I can't stop though. Why can't I stop? It's like nuts. Same person would just get out of here. But I can't. Can't do it. For one, that sky. Look at that. It does look amazing. You guys see that? I'm gonna be a cloud chaser. Oh yeah. Come on. One big bass for the finish, and I'll leave. One big epic. We gotta have an epic. Oh, we gotta have something epic happen. Well, except for, like, we don't want me or my truck getting destroyed to be. I honestly don't know if I ever remember seeing clouds quite configured that way. There he is. He's not epic though. Didn't I catch you last year? Well, there's the there's the epic bass. He shrunk. Honey, I shrunk the monster bass. Really? It's enough. What in the hell is that? I gotta get out of this place. I don't know that. I got crazy fighter jets buzzing around. Uh-oh, that was close. I'm out. Look at all those fish. See that? Oh boy. All right, let's go. I got some crazy monsters chasing me from behind. I picked the wrong week to watch the episodes of Lost. Okay, come on. Oh shoot. Come on, Lord. Oh, get over that. You gotta get over that. That's good enough. I'm gonna put my boots on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me get out of here. Let me get a cord. Hopefully I don't drop the phone in the water. I don't think it's too deep right here. Whoa, pretty deep. Oh, went right over the boot. Oh, look out. Okay guys, we're out of here. Storms are kind of overhead right now.